It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 1st of November. I'm James Spann. Very nice weather across Alabama today, but some rain will come back before the week is over, but nothing too heavy. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning, and it's a zonal flow and a very dry air mass. A weak surface boundary will actually be dropping through the state today in dry fashion. We are starting off this day in the 40s. Pell City 43, Gadsden 44. We're expecting a high today, not too far from 70 in most locations. There's the watch warning map across the country. Fairly quiet day ahead, and obviously no severe weather expected across the country. Much of the nation in cool, stable air. This is tomorrow, and this is day 3, Wednesday. Once again, no organized severe weather expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers over parts of Texas and the upper Pacific coast. For Alabama, the amount's generally under 1/2 inch between now and Monday morning of next week. And in the tropics, the Hurricane Center decided to name the system in the North Atlantic, which is pretty much a total junk hybrid system. They've given it the name Wanda, which is the last on the list for the season. This will be in the middle of nowhere for the next 5 days, affects nobody but the fish. The rest of the Atlantic basin awfully quiet. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Again, the zonal flow, a dry air mass, even though a weak surface boundary is dropping through here today. Highs upper 60s and low 70s, just gorgeous. Tomorrow will be a cooler day. We'll call it partly sunny with highs in the mid-60s. This is Wednesday. We're starting to see some upward motion in the atmosphere. There could be a little light rain Wednesday afternoon over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. For the rest of the state, it will be a day with increasingly cloudy conditions and colder. We could be in the 50s all day Wednesday, and then Thursday we'll have some light rain at times, and this will be kind of a cold rain. Temperatures on Thursday will be only in the upper 40s and low 50s. Again, nothing too heavy, not raining all day, but cloudy, kind of cold periods of rain. And then Friday, that feature is on by. Friday should be a beautiful day. The sky will be sunny, the high in the low 60s. Saturday, nothing but sun. Keep in mind, Saturday morning, we could see a lot of frost over north and central Alabama with lows in the 30s. The high Saturday will be in the low 60s, a great day for football, and Sunday will be a bright sunny day. Sunday's high, again, will be in the 60s, and this is a week from today, Monday the 8th of November, a northwest flow aloft, and again, a very dry air mass. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 10th of November. Little trough passing by just to the east. That could bring a little light rain, but obviously not much. And the good news, we see no sign of any severe weather for the next 10 days, although the tornado season is now here, November through May. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and mid-month. Look at the cool down. Wednesday, highs in the upper 50s. Thursday, we'll kind of sit in the upper 40s and low 50s all day with some light rain. And again, note those 30s over the weekend, early Saturday and Sunday morning. And for next week, looks like highs mostly in the 60s, lows mostly in the 40s. And the latest CPC outlook, this is for the 8th through the 14th of November. Temperatures here would be at or maybe a little below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.